Ensuring the quality and accuracy of AI-generated content is crucial to maintain credibility and trust with your audience. Here's a step-by-step ultimate guide for beginners to follow. Step 1. Understand the purpose and scope of AI-generated content. Define the purpose of your AI-generated content, e.g., blog posts, social media posts, product descriptions. Identify the target audience and their needs. Determine the scope of the content, e.g., topic, tone, style. Step 2. Choose the right AI-generated content tool. Research and select an AI-generated content tool that fits your needs, e.g., language models, content generation platforms, AI-powered writing assistants. Consider factors such as accuracy, customizability, and integration with your existing workflow. Step 3. Validate and refine AI-generated content. Review AI-generated content for accuracy, relevance, and consistency. Check for factual errors, grammatical errors, and inconsistencies in tone or style. Refine the content by editing and rephrasing as needed. Step 4. Verify accuracy and credibility. Verify the accuracy of facts, statistics, and references cited in the content. Check for credibility by evaluating the author's expertise and reputation. Ensure that the content meets your organization's standards for quality and accuracy. Step 5. Fact-check and verify sources. Fact-check information using reputable sources, e.g., news articles, academic journals, government reports. Verify the credibility of sources by checking their reputation, bias, and credentials. Ensure that sources are up-to-date and relevant to the topic. Step 6. Evaluate content quality. Assess the overall quality of the content using criteria such as clarity. Is the language clear and concise? Relevance. Is the content relevant to the target audience? Accuracy. Is the information accurate? Engagement. Does the content engage the audience? Tone. Is the tone consistent with your brand's voice? Step 7. Use human review and editing. Have human editors review and edit AI-generated content to ensure accuracy, quality, and consistency. Use human editors to review for grammar and spelling errors, clarity and coherence, tone and style, accuracy and credibility. Step 8. Monitor and update content. Monitor AI-generated content for updates, changes, or new information. Update content regularly to maintain accuracy and relevance. Use AI-generated content tools to generate updates or new content. Step 9. Establish a content governance policy. Establish a content governance policy that outlines roles, responsibilities, and procedures for generating, reviewing, and publishing AI-generated content. Define standards for quality, accuracy, and credibility. Ensure that all stakeholders understand their roles in ensuring the quality and accuracy of AI-generated content. Step 10. Continuously improve and refine. Continuously evaluate and refine your AI-generated content process. Monitor metrics such as engagement, accuracy, and credibility to identify areas for improvement. Refine your process by incorporating new tools, techniques, or best practices.